Hey, whoever is going to use this video, I'm just going to make a quick video on how I strip down the wiki from all of the iGEM default CSS. And so the first thing that I do is that I will take off the default CSS style sheet that is attached, and then I like to make one for the wiki strip down is what I usually call it, and it's been quite some time since I have done any HTML code for iGEM, so bear with me because it might be a little rough. But from there you can see all of the styling is gone, and so then I'm just gonna go in and start off my own template. And this is just going to be some very basic style, because for a lot of the things, in order to actually remove the styling from it, you have to add in some things. So yeah. So the first thing that I'm actually going to do is just kind of look at it. I want to remove the iGEM logo, and so for a lot of the things I find it easiest just to inspect the element, and then I can go in and see exactly what it's called to be able to reference it then. Okay, and so this one is just simply called, sorry, some of my teammates are around, so if you hear them moving around or sneezing, that's what that is. So this is a top title. So I'm just going to have display none for it. Don't know who that was. Sorry about that. And so then if we save this, we will simply see and refresh it that did not work. Welcome to the iGEM Wiki. I'll try refreshing it again. Still no. Okay. Whoops. Okay, just had to reload it again. And so now you can see that that is taken off. And then the next thing that I like to do is just remove all of the content from the page itself. It makes it a lot easier to see what can be removed that way. And so now we have it down to just a white box on a gray background. And so in order to fix some of this, I like to go in and edit some of the body content just to make it be a black background.
I'm so sorry, Amy. I forgot you were still recording.
You're good.
I'm so sorry.
It doesn't really matter. I'm just typing code anyway. This will be exciting for the 5 people maybe that watch this video. And so now you can see
We're still going. I didn't know.
Does not have to take multiple takes. She doesn't care.
That's very
Okay,
true.
that's
Okay, so if you save the page again, you can see now the entire screen is white, which is very nice because the first time I tried to do that, it took me maybe a week to figure out how to do that. So we're already improving on that. And then another thing that I'm gonna add into it, and this will come in later, is just to do some content resets, and so you don't necessarily see these because we don't have content on our page right now. But I just like to do it because it makes things easier in the long run. Hopefully, if I edit this video, I can speed this part up. If not, I'm sorry. And so the margin top one, actually, I'll comment on right now. That is just, it's approximately 7 pixels for this iGEM bar up here. And so by making it -7 pixels, it just means that content won't have a weird spacing on it. It will be more fluid. And then one last thing that I like to do is just to make this body width 100. And this is important. Okay. So now from there, I refresh the screen, we have nothing on there, which is exactly what we want. And so this is just how you get a very blank slate for starting your wiki. And so the one thing to note with this is that when you have this wiki stripped down now on your home page, it's going to be more difficult to find the rest of your pages because you don't have a nav bar on your home page. And so for me, I know what most of the pages are called, so I can just type them in and find them that way, or you can just Google them and a lot of times find them there, and then you'll find a page with the nav bar on it. But the nav bar is one of the most important things to put in for that sake. And so I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it was helpful. You can just email our team at iGEM@CarrollHS.org if you have any questions, and we'd be happy to help you. Thank you.